family.
Hi, welcome. I'm Ashley.
And I'm Asiaa.
And we are first cousins.
Yes.
And also best friends. And today we are doing a mukbang, our first ever mukbang. And we are doing a seafood boil with the lovely sauce.
Yes, shout out to Be Lovely.
Shout out. We love her so much.
Yes.
She's awesome.
Girl, that goes off. And then we got an extra in the bowl because
God.
I can't wait. It's going to be so amazing.
It's going to be so good. I freaking love her.
Yes.
She's amazing. I watch all your videos. I subscribe. I
And I
love
watch
you.
with her.
You're
Yes.
amazing. You're our fave. So, we hope that you enjoy this video. And
just like and subscribe.
yes,
and
please
tell us what you would
do.
want to see us eat.
Yes.
Seafood, burgers, you name it, we'll
Tacos.
try it. Yes.
So,
Can't forget that.
thank you, Lord, for this food, and please bless it. And we love you so much. In your name we pray.
Amen.
Amen. We also have Sunny D on deck, y'all.
And then 2 waters.
My kids love Sunny D, y'all. So, Asia went to go get our waters. And you know what? I'm going to turn the Christmas music up while we eat. Because I love Christmas, y'all. It's like my favorite time of the year. Ever. Love it so much. Just water on deck.
Yes.
Yep. So we have potatoes, baby potatoes, corn on the cob, and shrimp.
We're
So-
just gonna eat and
Tell you a little bit about us, yeah?
Yes.
All right, ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay, dig in. All right. The potato, corn.
Yes, but can't forget the
Yes.
potatoes.
Oh my gosh.
Amazing. I cannot wait. She cooks and she's such an amazing cook.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're an amazing person.
You were too.
I'm throwing these potatoes, y'all. Oh my gosh. Be lovely.
Yes,
This,
girl,
is for you, boo. My
Yes.
first bite.
Oh my gosh. This be
Girl.
lovely, girl. You, ma'am.
Girl, I'm not over exaggerating.
She needs to be a queen sauce. Oh, you are a queen sauce. Yes, ma'am.
So good.
Amazing. Let's try
All
it.
right, shrimp.
Yes. Girl, that was easy to tear off.
Girl, that shrimp is good.
Amazing. Oh my gosh. I'm living.
Girl, I love you. You lovely. So, a little bit about us. We are from Lubbock, Texas. Born and raised. I'm 23 years old.
And I'm 16. And our moms are sisters and our dads are brothers. So we're actually really close.
Yeah, double.
First cousins. Exactly. And there is 10 of them. And there's 8 of us.
My mom had 10 kids. Oh,
My mom
potato
had
dough.
8. Girl, there's only 2 of them, so. Then we got our dads. Our lovely dads. And our lovely mothers.
Yes. We were all close, and we were a big family, so
Yeah. I
we were
like
just
it.
all close, you know.
Yep.
Sorry, y'all. I have 4 kids. Yes, 1 boy and 3 girls.
I have none.
They're 5, 3, 2, and 1. are good kids. Thank God. So,
Yes. And I do makeup.
yes, OMG.
It looks a little flat and offline right now, but I can do makeup. I'll have to do
Yes.
video.
She can. It's corn, yo. It's so sweet and good.
You couldn't try this.
So good. So I've been watching Be Lovely basically since she came out, and I love her too so much because she's just herself and she eats good food. I love food. My other favorite mukbangers are Prissy P, hey girl, and Harrison and Sophia. Love
And we
them.
can't forget Miss Kimchi.
Hi boo, love you too boo.
Yes,
Watch you every
love
day.
you. Yes, ma'am. Good.
But yeah, I'd always seen her do seafood boils. I thought, I love seafood, so I might as well do one. Here you go, boo. So,
Thanks.
yeah, I'm just getting it all over me, y'all.
Yes.
I'm so sorry. Don't mind me.
Don't mind me either. I look flat, but it's fine.
But I don't know, y'all. For Christmas, we're not doing much, just the usual. We're gonna decorate our tree this week and, you know, get presents for the kiddos and bake cookies and, you know, all the stuff that you do for I was gonna say Thanksgiving.
I knew it.
I like Thanksgiving too, but not better than Christmas.
Okay. Nothing could be Christmas.
Yeah, these little potatoes,
Our bomb. They're amazing.
really good. Yeah. That is so good, yo.
It is. It's amazing.
Let me put my pills on one of these. Who else loves seafood? I went to Sam's. I love Sam's.
Great prices.
Next time when I go to Sam's, I'm gonna get some king crab legs. Yeah,
Yes, you can't forget about crab.
I love crab legs and lobster and all that. I mean,
And one thing that we forgot was our lemons.
go get our lemons. We sure did, Be Lovely. Sorry, it would not be a seafood boil without our lemons, okay? More napkins too, boo. Can you get more napkins? How many of y'all like Sunny D? Like I said, my kids love it. Can't keep it in the house. And I love it too. In the cabinet. Yeah. What's y'all's favorite kind of seafood?
Got the lemons.
Mine would have to be crab legs.
Yeah.
So good.
Yes. No, mine would have to be crawdad.
Oh, yeah. Well,
That
I don't
is
think
good.
I've even ever ate those. Yeah.
No?
Look, yeah. Oh,
Girls.
yes.
And
Gotta try that lemon.
shout out
Gotta
to
try that
our
lemon.
Nana. She's a cook, a professional at that, and she caters. So if you need somebody to cater,
And you're in the
yes, and
Kentucky area?
yes, if you're in the Kentucky area and you need somebody to cater for a party or something, we got the hookup. So we're gonna do one, and we're gonna do a sisters.
Yes.
It's gonna be, and we're gonna do a vlog of going up there for kind of like a sneak peek for y'all.
Yes. Because
Just to watch how it goes from Lubbock, like from dry to all the green girl.
beautifulness.
It's beautiful, very beautiful.
my sisters and brothers live down there with my family.
Yes.
Because they got adopted out to them. So that's where they reside. And we're going to be making a trip up there in
To
about
see
February,
them, but
March.
we're not gonna
So
tell them, so
excited.
they're not gonna know.
It's going to be a surprise. And it's going to be like a vlog and then like a surprise sister dinner, you know, with my sisters. Because I haven't seen them in so long.
And we're
I'm
gonna have
so
our Nana
excited.
cook, so we can just kind of show y'all.
Oh, yeah. So we can show y'all like what kind of food she's good at cooking. And,
Yes.
you know.
And if you want tacos, we can do tacos. You want burgers, we can do burgers. We can do all of them, actually, to be honest, because there's going to be a bunch of us, too.
Lemon, baby.
Yes, I'm cutting them right now.
So dip it in that sauce. That's what Be Lovely says. You dip it in that sauce.
Yes,
Dip
ma'am.
it.
Then the lemons.
The lemon.
You know, we got the lemons on deck for Miss Be Lovely.
She was right.
That lemon, though.
When you squeeze it right on there.
Yep. Brings it to life.
It's so good. It's so fresh.
The way they taste. That's more.
Amazing.
But yes, we're gonna do that. Go to Kentucky and do a
Yep.
vlog for y'all because it's a very, like I said, it's a very beautiful place. And if you live up there, then shout out to y'all. They already know. Yes.
Kentucky.
But if you don't, I suggest if you were gonna figure out somewhere to go for summer that you never been, go there. Go there. 'Cause-
It's very beautiful.
yes, and
There's
it's-
waterfalls
and
and
it's fun, and you got places you can take your kids and bunch of nature, all of it. If you like nature, then
Yep.
that's the place for you.
Yep. So we're gonna also have giveaways throughout the month of December. Makeup, just different things that we like, that we think you would like, the viewers. So,
And we'll get on here and go live on YouTube in the live.
and we'll announce the winners because there'll be a couple of winners.
Yes.
And you know, we just want to know what y'all like so we can try to do the giveaways the right way. And you know, Christmas coming up, so it's all about sharing and giving.
And-
So
Yes, that's
you know, we love that. Also, we're also gonna have like a bunch of pride videos and gay pride videos and things because we on this channel we are really big on equality and love for everybody, no matter what shape, size, gender, color, or anything. We believe in, you know, that you should love everybody no matter what, and that everybody is special. So with that being said, you know, if you're not for equal rights, then it's not the channel for you. But if you are for, you know, everybody, then this is the channel for you because we love everybody and accept anybody because we all come different,
and we're all equally
equal in God's eyes.
exactly, and that's all that matters.
Yeah. So
Because not many know, but I myself, some may think, well, you look just like a girl. Yeah, but, and no, I don't take no pills, no nothing. I'm all natural.
yeah, and still very beautiful. Look at that, y'all.
That lemon on that corn dough.
Oh, I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try that for sure.
That sweet, that sour, and then that sauce.
Girl. It's so good.
This has to be the most amazing food I've ever put in my mouth.
It's good. Yep. Went to the store today. Took me a while. But I got all the ingredients I needed for the sauce, and I was like, yes, I'm so excited. Because everybody knows I love Be Lovely. Sorry, y'all, I got about 3 different drinks over here.
That lemon is good with the potatoes.
It is. Yes. So yeah, our moms, they are sisters, and our dads are brothers, and they got together, and my mom had 10 of us, and his mom had 8, and yeah, we came from a really big family.
Yeah, so we're used to big families.
Yeah. And so yeah, we were just always very close and whatnot. So that lemon on that corn, that lemon on that corn, baby. Yes, yes.
Girl, I'm thirsty.
That corn is so good.
That lemon with that shrimp, that was amazing. You ate all your shrimp? I said you ate all your shrimp?
Yeah, I did. There's like more over here.
Yes, yes, yes.
So, for the Christmas tree, we're going to do traditional, but we wanted to do breast cancer because I have a lot of people in my family affected by that. So, I feel like all these tissues in front of here. I'm sorry. I feel like it's like a good cause. I feel like it's an amazing cause, especially for those who have been affected by it, or who have family and friends and loved ones and spouses and things affected by breast cancer.
Yes. You done dropped my corn everywhere. And she can sing
Yes.
very beautifully.
Thank you.
You can.
I know. Don't make us act a fool. You know we
I
will.
know, because we sure were active for y'all.
Okay, I'm gonna stop. Okay, I'm gonna stop now.
We do this thing, this little personality, where she's Jan and I'm Karen.
Yes.
That right there.
It's funny.
That's where the mess comes in.
Oh, night, divine, oh, in Christ was born. What's y'all's favorite Christmas song? Yeah. Happy dance. I'm getting full, y'all. We were thinking about also doing like an ASMR channel. Like eating, no talking. So, let us know what you think about that. If you'd like us to see us do ASMR or this. Either one. You full, Asia?
Yes.
She gets full fast, y'all.
Yes, I did. I'm huge. In person, I'm really huge.
That's a lie.
Yeah. I don't see how Grandma used to eat these by herself.
All the lemons. Granny was a savage.
She was.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get me another piece of corn. Yeah, I was doing the happy dance on the way over.
Yeah, she was. Oh, and she got some 7-Up cake. Girl.
You want some? Go get some. Corn, y'all. Corn, y'all. It's that corn, y'all. Hey, corn. Cob, y'all. Look at that. Asia can dance. Her little ass off. Lies. It's the truth. Potatoes. They're so good, y'all.
I gotta go get me some 7-Up cake because I've been thinking about it.
7-Up cake, y'all.
Yes.
We put it on the baby's plate.
Makes it quick.
Yes, boo, yes.
Yes, yes. That's what we need to have Nanny cake make. We got there. Her strawberry cake.
Ooh, or can she make big red cake?
Yes, she can. She make any type of Coke cake. Like she can make that. She made me hot Cheeto bar. She can do a lot of things.
Look, y'all. Yay! Got it out. Bam, bam. Shrimp, shrimp. Hey, shrimp. Yeah. Oh, my bad.
Turn on with Dancing with the Stars.
Yeah. I'm getting so full. When Be Lovely says, all you need is some shrimps, add some potatoes and corn, you'll get full. She's right. That's true.
That's a meal right there. That was funny. Okay, so my oldest brother. This is how it goes. It goes. My oldest brother and then me. I'm the second oldest. My oldest brother's 18. I'm 16. And then my little sister, she is 6. She's 15.
Yeah.
Excuse me. She's 15. And then my other one, she is 13. She's about to be 14. And then we got, she's 11. And then, you know, let's see. How old is baby Thomas? 7. He's 7. And then we got Joshua and James, and then them two are 4 and 2. So, yep. Squire, youngest is 2.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm full, but look at that.
I know.
Jeez.
It was amazing.
It was, yeah.
Cake dropped out of my mouth.
Like I said, I can't wait to get some lobster. I went in a rush. It was packed at Sam when I went the other day.
For the holidays?
I don't have time to.
Because they have them good sales there and then.
They do. I don't have time to
Especially on this meat.
look. But I want lobster tails and I want some king crabs.
Yeah.
Love crab legs, y'all. Especially with that sauce, boy, that's gonna be banging.
It for real is.
Be lovely, honey. You have outdone yourself. You're an amazing woman.
Very amazing.
And you're a good person, and you know, I'm very proud of you for you know, who you are now and everything that you've done. You're a strong woman. So
Yes, and you're a very good role model.
you're amazing, and I really do love you, and I really do look up to you
Yes.
for many things in many ways. So I don't know, yo. I need one more tail.
Very full?
I am full.
I got very full.
I want some 7-Up cake. Well, I don't know. It might be too full.
I forgot to put my earrings in. I don't even know where they are. They
Yeah.
my purse. I don't know where my phone is either.
We literally just be chilling at home.
Yep. Chill at home. Watch the kiddos.
Oh, yeah.
Have fun with them.
And time to drop me nuts.
Excuse
But-
me.
Love my kids.
They're so cute.
Crazy ones.
Yep. Well,
So, it's about to be 2019, y'all. This is crazy. The year passed by pretty fast. And I don't know where time went. But, I mean, I know that next year is going to be a blessed year, a great year.
Yes.
So, and I hope that's for everybody. You know, everybody has a blessed year.
Yeah.
And is in good health. And, you know, the Lord blesses y'all this year. And hopefully He blesses us too. So, it'll be great. Which He always blesses us, so that's a good thing.
Every day I wake up, I'm blessed.
Yes, amen.
Yeah.
So, y'all, hopefully this channel gets big. And if it does, I want to start a you know, like a fund for stuff that is near and dear to my heart, such as like children with cancer, people with cancer, period, children that are hungry, abused children, you know, homeless people, people that are veterans, people like us that just need somebody and need help. I just want to give back, and I've just always believed that you know, everybody should be awarded the same opportunities, but unfortunately we're not. We know all too well of those things, and you know, growing up I was very poor, and you know, because there was 10 of us. Yeah. So I mean, I know what it's like.
Over here, we same thing.
I know what it's like to not, live without hot water and things that you are supposed to have growing up as kids. But we had loving parents, and you know, that's all that really mattered.
My mom always busted her, you know. She always busted to get us what we needed. Everything she done was for us.
Yep.
I love her.
I love my parents. They took care of us, and you know.
And now it's time for us to start
to take care of them. Yep. And y'all, I just I feel as if just because you had a hard life, and you know, because you went through things, there are people that are out there that understand and that know what your pain, what you're going through, which is us. We know what you're going through, and you know, no matter what, just keep a smile on your face and keep your hearts up and your heads up, you know, held high, because you know, good things come to people that, you know, wait, and you don't suffer forever.
You don't, and that's very true.
So just believe that God is there. He's going to lift you up, and you know, there are good people in this world. You know, I know that sometimes it's hard to believe that there are people that are good and that mean good for you, but there are. Yeah, there are. And there are people that are here for you, you know? Yeah. So.
Yes, and even if you have hard times and feel like you can't come to nobody else, you can always comment in the description. And
we'll pray for you.
Yes, and when we start getting things up,
we're going to do like a prayer board. Yes. And we will go through all of our comments and pray for the people that, just even if you ask for unspoken silent prayers, we will say your name and we'll pray for you. Because everybody needs to be prayed for, including us.
Exactly.
You know. So that's basically, like, this channel is about equality and love mostly. Just that's all it's about. And having fun and eating good food and, you know, just no drama. Just all that. But like we said, if you like this video, you want to see more, and you have like any special things that you want us to eat, or even if it's not food, even if it's like a vlog, or you know, the kids or whatever, going out to eat, just let us know in the description box, down below in the comments, and we will go through it, and we will whatever y'all request, we'll get that done. And we hope you enjoyed this video. We're going to be posting one every single day now. And so we hope you get to know us, and we hope to get to know you. And we hope you enjoyed this video. Yes. And again, shout out to Be Lovely, our favorite woman ever. We love you so much, and thank you for your sauce. It was so amazing. And I be looking forward to your videos, Miss Be Lovely. So, thanks, guys.
Yes.
And we're so happy that you tuned in and watched this. So, y'all have a good night.
Love you.
Bye.